What's the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Tez, and this lighting in this truck is terrible, but guess what, y'all? We are in the truck and we have another load that we are about to get done. Yeah. Anyways, we are at this current load right now. I missed you guys so much. I know y'all miss me because y'all be like, Tez, where you at? Tez, upload. Tez. Anyways, I really missed y'all, man, but we are picking up a load right now. After we pick up this load, we are currently in Ellenwood, Georgia. Ellenwood all the way to Illinois. It's roughly about 600 miles. So y'all gonna do these 600 miles with me in the new truck. I'm so excited because we are in the new truck today. I gotta get the speed turned up on this truck because right now it only goes 67 miles per hour. I don't know who in a right mind thought like 67 miles per hour was a good idea. So we gotta make a few pit stops, get this truck speed turned up, get everything going. But anyways, man, make sure you tune into the video. All right, turn the key switch on and then go.
Yeah, it should be.
Okay. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, we are here right now getting the truck tuned up. I just showed y'all the little thing. We're just getting the truck speed turned up just because 67 is crazy. 67 is wild. I can't tell y'all where I'm at because I'm not influencing y'all to get y'all truck speed turned up. That's on y'all, not on me. But anyways, we here right now, and then after we leave here, we're gonna get something to eat. And we only got an hour and 10 minutes. I know I didn't record much, and I'm so sorry, but we only got an hour and 10 minutes till we drop this load, and then we'll be straight. All right, so we just got the truck speed turned up, so we are about to finish out this little trip, and probably the next clip y'all gonna see is us getting food. I did get the truck speed turned up just to 72, so it's like safe still, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to be out here going fast. I only got it turned up to 72 because 67 was literally insane. But anyways, let's finish out this trip. We done hit my favorite spot, the Little Yeezer. You know what I'm saying? Little Yeezers, man. This pizza is amazing, y'all. And I just tried this buffalo ranch. I never had it before. Fire flame. I'm talking like, I don't even know how to explain it. It was so good. You feel me? And tell me y'all like my retwist, man. Because y'all be talking about my hair all the time. So tell me y'all like it right now. Comment down below that y'all like my retwist. Make sure you like the video too. But anyways, we're an hour and 10 minutes away. We about to go ahead and get this load off my back so we can get on to the next one. You know what I'm saying? We got to continue making that money. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys, I guess, when we get to the place. And you might see a little bit of time lapse before we get there. Give me a kiss.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So as y'all saw, I did drop the load off last night, and it's currently the next day, and I've just been being lazy, so I'm just now recording this. But there is a couple of things I don't like about the truck, if I must be honest. And it's not like bad things, it's always things that can be fixed. But starting off first, I do not like the collision mitigation system. It is so freaking annoying. Literally, like if I'm driving and I go towards like under a bridge or anything, or towards a shadow, the truck literally thinks it's a car in front of me, and it brakes and it like wants to slow down, and then it remembers like, oh, it's just a bridge. So that's super freaking annoying and very unsafe if you ask me. And I don't like that, like if a car is literally, when I tell you a car could literally be 600 feet away from me, but if that car is going like 68 and I'm going 70, then the truck will slow down to 68 miles per hour. And it's just super annoying because the car's literally 600 feet away, and I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I can keep going. You know what I'm saying? Like I could get a little bit closer before I need to get over. So it makes it to where I have to get over 630 something feet earlier than what I really need to, or like 500, 600, 500, 400 feet earlier than what I really need to, which is kind of annoying. And also what I don't like is the mirrors, the hood mirrors. I don't know. I don't know if they set higher in the last mirror. I sit in the truck as if I drive a Pete, because y'all know one day my dream truck is a Pete. But I literally sit in the truck like very low, so my seat's all the way to the ground like all the time, and it's just like, when I look at the hood mirrors, I feel like they're like super low. And I even tried tilting them, like I tried doing everything to fix them, but it just looks literally terrible, and I hate it. I don't know. So those are just like two of the things. I really haven't found nothing else. Those are two things that I like just genuinely don't like. I haven't really found anything else. But as you guys saw, like the mirrors just sit so low on the hood. It's freaking annoying. Like I just wish it set up like higher, because I like to sit low in the seat. You know what I'm saying? But what do you guys think, man? Do y'all like the new truck? Y'all like this truck better, or do y'all like y'all old truck the old truck better? Me personally, I don't mind the older Freightliner. You know, this is a newer one. This is a 2022. Which is, I mean, it's a good truck, don't get me wrong. It has only 190 something thousand miles on it, but I don't know, I kind of missed the old truck, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of missed the old truck, but I guess I just gotta adapt to this and get used to this one. I do like all the controls are on the steering wheel. On the old truck, I couldn't change the music or the radio or anything with the controls on the steering wheel, but now this truck does have it, so that is very good and very helpful. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. I thank y'all so much for tuning in to all my videos, liking my videos, and supporting me. And I guess I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.